Hey guys, it's Corey, and on behalf of the North Omaha Community Care Council, I'm here to share with you an important message. Times are changing rapidly, and right before our eyes, due to the COVID-19 outbreak, also known as SARS-CoV-2, with an increasing rate of infections and death related to this virus, we want to share some very useful tips to practice daily that will help keep you, your friends, and family safe during this pandemic. Tip number 1, frequently wash your hands. You should make sure you always wash your hands after you have been in the public setting or was in contact with people, even your own family members. To make sure you know how to properly wash your hands, I will demonstrate. First, wet your hands with clean running water. It does not matter whether it's warm or cold. Then, apply soap. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with the soap, making sure you're washing in between your fingers and underneath those dirty fingernails, because that's not where bacteria tends to hide. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds, then rinse and dry. If soap and water are not readily available after leaving one setting, always use an alcohol-based sanitizer that has 60% to 95% alcohol to kill off germs that you may have collected while being outside your home. Now, although hand sanitizer is designed to kill off bacteria, it is an alternative to the preferred hand washing method. Tip number 2, avoid close contact with other people. You should stay away from people who are sick, or if you are sick. Even if they are not sick, the CDC recommends keeping 6 feet of distance between you and others. If you are living with someone who is sick, you should maintain your distance from them until COVID-19 test results are confirmed. In public settings, remember to keep 6 feet of distance between you and other people who do not live in the same household. Now, we know not everyone carries around a meter stick, but a quick way to measure your distance from you and another person is to simply measure 2 arms length and you have about 6 feet. Tip number 3, wear a mask. The CDC recommends you properly cover your mouth and nose with a mask when you're around others to prevent for spreading or being infected with COVID-19. The face should fit to the mask to allow for better protection of the virus. Again, the purpose of the mask is to protect yourself and others around you from possibly being infected with COVID-19. It is strongly encouraged that everyone wears a mask in public places and around people who do not live within your home. A N95 masks are the best protection from this virus, but cloth masks will also protect you. Tip number 4, sanitize your household daily. You don't want it to be dirty. We recommend you clean and disinfect frequently. Touch surfaces such as doorknobs, light switches, countertops, tables, desks, handles, toilets, faucets, and sinks. Any disinfectant wipe that says it kills 99.9% of the bacteria will work effectively. The Environmental Protection Agency, also known as EPA, recently released a statement that Pine Sol is effective in killing COVID-19 on surfaces. You can also disinfect your clothes that have been worn out in public with disinfectant laundry sanitizers. Tip number 5, monitor your health. Lastly, but still important, monitor your health. It's important to be alert of your symptoms, especially if you have been out in public, because you could walk among someone who is infected with COVID-19 and not even know they are infected. If you start to show symptoms, please take your temperature and please do not be afraid to set up an appointment to get tested for COVID-19. There are many locations around the city who offer free testing and want to help you, so please make an appointment. We hope you find these tips helpful in protecting you and your loved ones from contracting COVID-19. Please make a vow to your loved ones, our community, and our world to practice these safety tips to stop the spread of COVID-19. Thank you and have a great holiday.